A very good morning, cruise nerds. I think this is the one morning I think everybody dreads is disembarkation morning. So here in Fort Lauderdale, the express walk-off starts at 7:30, and then approximately around 7:40 is when they'll start calling the first luggage tag, which is Chippendale. And then, so, seems like it's going pretty smoothly. We are at Terminal 26 today, which is the Disney Cruise Line terminal. I just wanted to do a quick good morning, and we are finalizing everything, making sure the drawers are checked, everything is out of the closet, nothing is under the bed, because we don't want to leave anything behind. Housekeeping's pretty good about taking it to guest services if you did leave something, and they have your information, so they will actually get it sent to you. But in the meantime, cruise nerds, I'm just going to pause until we go to breakfast at Rapunzel's on deck 3. I'm going to help Mom make sure everything is packed, and we'll go from there. See you in a minute, cruise nerds. Well, cruise nerds, that's one view that's not very enjoyable, but...
You are kindly invited to disembark the ship at this time via the gangway located on deck 3 midship. Please have your Key to the World card out and ready to be swiped off the ship. Once inside the terminal building, you will be required to provide a proof of citizenship for the inspection by Customs and Border Protection. Be advised that no fresh fruits, vegetables, plant materials, meat, or animal products may be brought off of the ship. If you have any of these items, please discard them in the amnesty bins as you disembark. Once again, guests who have luggage tag colors and characters that are yellow with Chippendale, white with Ariel, tan with Pluto, gray with Daisy, purple with Minnie, or green with Tinkerbell are now cleared to disembark via the gangway located on deck 3 midship. Guests holding any other Disney character luggage tag are invited to wait comfortably on board until their luggage tag is announced before disembarking the ship.
Well, ahoy, cruise nerds, for the last time, welcome to Royal Table, but let's listen to the announcement.
May I have your attention, please? This announcement is to inform...
Alright, cruise nerds, thank you for being patient. So that was once again the announcement for which luggage tags are able to get off, and it's majority of them. I think there's like one or two missing, but it is majority of the luggage tags now. And so once again, before we got intervened, let's put it that way, welcome to Rapunzel's Royal Table for the last time, and we are eating here for breakfast. Both Mom and I got eggs for the road, but the only difference is that she got fried eggs, and I got scrambled eggs. And so we're going to enjoy breakfast one last time here aboard the ship before we start heading home. It's about, with traffic, depending on how many stops we do, it's around 4 hours, approximately. But of course, it depends on traffic and if we make pit stops along the way. But in the meantime, cruise nerds, we're just going to enjoy the ambiance for a little while longer, and a few of the crew members, since we haven't seen them in a while. Alright, cruise nerds, so we are just stopping at the bathroom one last time before we get into the madness on deck 3 to get off the ship. And of course, no recording in there. I think you can record up to a certain point, and then after that, no.
Amnesty bins as you disembark. Once again, this is the final call for disembarking the Disney Mansion as local customs and border protection.
I don't think he is. Yes.
Safe travel.
Thank you.
Goodbye, Disneyland. Gonna miss you.
Well, ahoy, cruise nerds. That was a long drive, but it was worth it because we got to enjoy the Disney magic. We are now home, safe and sound. We took the turnpike all the way home, or almost all the way home with 417. And thank you, Cruise Nerds, for joining me for another cruise aboard the Disney Cruise Line fleet. And I do hope that you enjoyed joining me on board. And I know I was a little rusty on this particular cruise since I have been on the ship working for about 5.5 months. But anyways, Cruise Nerds, this is where I'll stop this particular cruise vlog. And I will see y'all in the next update. And I'll see y'all real soon on board.